In this video, I will be teaching you how to pray. And iyeke ke lento yakho ukuthi mawukhuleka awazi ukuthi uqale ekhabo mama or uqale ekhabo baba. Cha, asiphahle la siyakhuleka. And sikhuleka uNkulunkulu uqobo lwakhe. Ngoba sikhuleka uNkulunkulu okhokho bethu. Umveli inqangi uqobo lwakhe. uNkulunkulu waka-Israyeli. So uNkulunkulu waka-Israyeli ke akafuni nje lento zokuthi masimkhuleka siloko lesithi ubizana nezibongo cha. Bangimangaza abantu abafuna ukuthi bekhuleka bese bebiza izibongo zabo. Asikususeni lokho, asiqaleni ke. Number 1, when you are praying, you need to understand ukuthi amandla angaphakathi kubani kwena. Mina lento ke ngiyazi practical. Angifundisanga ndawo ngoba umkhuleko into engiphiwe yona. AmaZulu ke yiwona asho ukuthi awukufundisa abantu ukukhuleka bazoyibona lento ohlezi ukhuluma ngayo. Number 1, amandla angaphakathi kwena. uNkulunkulu uphila kuphi? Ngaphakathi kwena. So ngoba ephila ngaphakathi kwena, awuzuloko lubhizi ukopa imithandazo yabantu, uloko lubhizi uthi uNkulunkulu makakublesse akuphi izinto ezimaterial and all of that. Cha. Uyayimosha lapho because of lamandla ngaphakathi kwena. You call upon umveli inqangi. You are having a conversation with God because of ukuthi ungaphakathi kwena, because of you co-create with him. So uthi ke masuguqile noma umile kodwa kuzomela ukuthi ukhuleke ngenhliziyo yakho yonke. Mangithi khuleka ngenhliziyo yakho yonke, khuluma ngayo yonke inhliziyo, nikezela ngenhliziyo yakho yonke. For example, you close your eyes. When you close your eyes, have you ever seen abantu abakhohlakele? Or uke wakhohlakalela umuntu wabukhuluma ngenhliziyo yakho ukuthi why can't you do that when you're speaking with God? Give him your heart, because of those with pure hearts, they will definitely see God. So njalo mawuya kuyena ngokuzinikezela. Practically so, you close your eyes. Uvala amehlo wakho. You breathe in, you breathe out. And immediately when you close your eyes, abantu abameditator bayayazi lento engikhuluma ngayo. Immediately when you close your eyes, you allow your third eye ukuthi ikwazi ukubona. So if vele you are awakened ngokomoya, already mawuvala amehlo wakho and you start looking ngelihlo lakho likamoya, uvule nenhliziyo yakho, kukhona izinto ozozibona ke lapho. Uzokwazi ukubona izinto. Hence sithi mawukhuleka ujulile uyakwazi nokubona umoya umubi, uyakwazi ukubona abantu, uyakwazi ukuzwa nama-voices. But because of this is for people who are just starting to connect. You close your eyes, you breathe in and out. Fana nokuthi uyameditate, and then you start praying and you open your mouth now. Uyasho uNkulunkulu Baba, uNkulunkulu Ndodana, uNkulunkulu Moya Oyingcwele. Kuya ngawo ukuthi wena uphiwe kanjani ukuthi mawuzokhuluma uzombiza kanjani, uzothi uNkulunkulu wokhokho, uNkulunkulu wadala uzulu nomhlaba, kuphuma kuwe ukuthi umemeza uthini. Kodwa mina mangimemeza ngithi uNkulunkulu Baba, uNkulunkulu Ndodana, uNkulunkulu Moya Oyingcwele. Baba ngiyakubonga ngakho konke usungenzele kona, nakho konke usazongenzela kona. Ngibonga ukuvuswa, ngilondiwe ubusuku bonke, ngivukile ngumqemane, ngibhekene namathuba amasha kanye nezifiso ezintsha. Ngiyacela ke simakade sezulu, ngicela ukuthi ungilekelele, ungikhanyisele, ungibonise indlela kuyona ekumele ukuthi ngiyiphile. Yabo, angikhulumanga awukhulumi ngezinto ezimaterial. Uthi moloko lujula, uloko lujula, umcela amandla, umcela inhlakanipho, umcela konke. That is your daily bread. You start now. And kunalaba ke abathi mabese bekhuleka bathi babona ubumnyama. Ungasabi, ungayeki futhi ukukhuleka ngoba ubona ini ubumnyama mawuvala amehlo. You continue to go deep. Even if ungathi ufikela uvalo, uyalibona lobumnyama, because of that's where you start. In the beginning, uNkulunkulu makazulu uzulu nomhlaba, the world had no form, no shape. It was all dark. And then he said, let there be light. So immediately when you are in the darkness, you continue to pray. You continue to pray. Even if it's okay. You continue to do that. You continue to do that. Kukhona la ke manje angithi uzobe sekakubonile ukuthi ivulile inhliziyo yakho ngoba lento yakho ukungavula inhliziyo yingakho ngekusuke kulobo bomnyama bese ke uyaqala ke uyangena emazulwini. You must start by seeing nature. Ubona amanzi, ubone all these creatures, ubone ngathi ubona inyoka. You will be seeing things, natural living things in, you can even see the sky, you see yourself in the clouds. You will be, but it's subjected to imfihlakalo lengaphakathi kwenu. Wena uzobe ubona lapha ukhuleka. And the more you pray like that, the more you experience God, the more you see God, the more you get the peace of God. Uyakuthola ke ukuthola. So yekela ukusaba mawubona ubomnyama. Izulu belifuna nje ukuthi ngiphakamise lokho. When you pray, vula inhliziyo yakho. Noma ungaguqanga uphume ekuseni before emsebenzini, you just close those eyes and uyakhuluma ngenhliziyo yakho, uyakhuluma ngenhliziyo yakho. Thina ke esizinikezelayo ke hawu sivele sesingena emazulwini. Ubumnyama sisabona sesimasiqala sithi khulu baba, khulu ndodana, hawu amazulu ahlangabeza nje sesingena because of siyanikezela ngenhliziyo. So nawe vula inhliziyo, uye kukwesaba, vula inhliziyo, umbone uNkulunkulu wabone futhi namandla wakhe. Amen.